How to close your Etsy account and remove shop. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply fulfill all of the orders. So simply ship any open orders and resolve the existing cases that you currently have on your Etsy, right? So after doing that, here what are we going to do is, first of all, you need to remember that you should get into web browser version of Etsy instead of the application. So after getting into a web browser version, here you need to now access the shop manager, right? So you can simply tap on the shop icon that you'll be able to see right here, and then from here, if you have added your shop, here you'll be able to see it, and then from there you can simply tap on that shop manager, and then you need to now close your shop, right? So you need to simply get to the settings, and then you'll be able to see options, and then click on the close shop tab, then confirm by simply tapping on close shop, and like that you'll be able to do it, right? So in order to simply close your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see right here, then tap on account settings. So after tapping on account settings, if you scroll all the way down here, you will be able to see the option of close your account, right? So in here, simply select a reason just like this, and then I'm going to select this particular reason, then tap on close account. So after doing that, all you need to do is enter your password, and after doing this, simply tap on close account. Then you'll be able to successfully close your Etsy account and remove your shop. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.